Hello guys, today I will show you how to play one song. It is Bhagwan Hai Kahan Re Tu. It is from the movie PK, and the chords we are going to use for this songs all are open chords, so it is quite easy to play. The chords are E major, then A major, then B major. These are the three chords we are going to use. Now let's learn how to play all this. For E major, put your middle finger on the second fret of the fifth string. I am counting the strings from the bottom to up. So put your middle finger on the second fret of the fifth string. Put your ring finger on the second fret of the fourth string, and put your first finger on the first fret of the third string. So this is E major. Now let's learn for A major. For A major, put your ring finger on the second fret of the second string, middle finger on the second fret of the third string, and the first finger on the second fret of the fourth string. So this is A major. Now let's learn B major. This is put your pinky on the second finger of the fourth fret, and then put your ring finger on the fourth fret of the third string, and put your middle finger on the fourth fret of the fourth string, and put your first finger on the second fret of first string. So this is B. The strumming pattern actually I used to play for this song is quite a simple one. In the song, very less part of guitar is there, so we can use a single simple strumming pattern, which is like down down, up up, down up. Once again, down down, up up, down up. So while playing we should play like down down, up down up, down down, up down up. So along with the chords, if I'll play, it will sound like. Okay, now let's move to the song. The first line is है सुना ये पूरी धरती तू चलाता है, मैं मेरी भी सुन ले अरज मुझे घर बुलाता है. So for both these two lines we'll use E chord, and the strumming pattern will be as I said. So it will be played like है सुना ये पूरी धरती तू चलाता है, मेरी भी सुन ले अरज मुझे घर बुलाता है. Now comes the second part, in which the song will go like भगवान है कहाँ रे तू. So in that part, for Bhagwan we will play A. For Hai, the same A will be there, and for Kaha we should switch to B, and Re, then Tu we should move to E. So the progression will be A, then B, then E. For next two lines we will play like this. And one more thing is, when this first time it is coming, Bhagwan word will come, then we should give a single stroke on A and give a pause like this. From the beginning if I will go, है सुना ये पूरी धरती तू चलाता है, मेरी भी सुन ले अरज मुझे घर बुलाता है, भगवान है कहाँ रे तू, है खुदा है कहाँ रे तू. So these are the first four lines we should play like this, and the second next line it is coming as है सुना तो भटके मन को राह दिखाता है. In that we should use like E chord first. We should start from E. So है सुना तो भटके मन को E. On Raha I should go to A. Then दिखाता है, on है I should come to B. For next two lines we should follow this pattern. So it will sound like है सुना तो भटके मन को राह दिखाता है, मेरे ही सुने ना 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 ना. Whatever with the lyrics, the progression and the strumming will go like that. And then the next line is coming like Bhagwan, so one single stroke, and then A, B and E. And next when we will move to further part of the song, it will come like मैं पूजा करूँ या नमाज़ें पढ़ूँ, अरदासें करूँ दिन रैन. Both the lines are in high pitch, so we will start from B, like मैं पूजा करूँ on B, या नमाज़ें पढ़ूँ on A, अरदासें करूँ on A, दिन रैन E. Will come back to E. So it will be played like मैं पूजा करूँ या नमाज़ें पढ़ूँ, अरदासें करूँ दिन रात. These two lines will be played like this. Next line is ना तो मंदिर मिले, same B. ना तो गिरजे मिले, सेम ए. देन कम्स वन लाइन तुझे ढूंढे थके मेरे नैन. दिस लाइन इज गेटिंग रिपीटेड 3 times. सो फॉर दिस लाइन पर्टिकुलरली वी विल यूज तुझे ढूंढे ए, थके मेरे बी, एंड ऑन मेरे नैन, ऑन नैन आई शुड गो टू ई. सो इट विल बी लाइक तुझे तुझे ढूंढे थके मेरे नैन, तुझे ढूंढे थके मेरे नैन. And for the last time we should, the progression chord of the progressions will be the same, but what we will do, like we will use only single strokes to each of the string except to the 6th string. The 6th string we will not touch. Except that we will give all strings a single stroke, and it should be played like तुझे ढूंढे थके मेरे नैन. After that the sequence will go like that. जो भी रस्में हैं वो सारी मैं निभाता हूँ, and it will be similar to like that of है सुना तो भटके मन को राह दिखाता है. So the chords will be E, A and B. So it will be like जो भी रस्में हैं वो सारी मैं निभाता हूँ, इन करोड़ों की तरह सर झुकाता हूँ, भगवान है कहाँ रे तू, है खुदा है कहाँ रे तू. Hope you enjoy the video and you will be able to play this. Thanks for watching the video.